Designed to connect a computer or other device to an electrical outlet that conforms to either the C13 SCHUKO, German, or the C7/5 standard, French. Features a grounded C7/7 plug on one end and an IEC 60320 C13 receptacle on the other end. 18 a Rubin Florence cable. Carry up to a 5 amp, 1250 watt, 250 volt load. 3-prong. Top reviews from the United States. No surprises. It is exactly as specified. Works great in France on a Dell power supply. Better than using an adapter. Works as expected and feels like good quality. I would buy this again if I need to. Great quality power cord. Fit is snug. Doesn't feel flimsy. The cable itself is thick and high quality. I've bought several of these for different PCs monitors at my home and I am totally satisfied. Functions as intended. Used for a recent business trip to Europe.